Introducing from WallPeg, the #1 rated brand in garage and tool organization, comes the most versatile, complete line of organizing products. Invented and patented by WallPeg, these panels are strong, reinforced, and customizable to your needs. Never warping, fading, or rusting, and they come with a lifetime guarantee. Created to align with standard wall studs, WallPeg panels provide high capacity strength. Even if just screwed into standard drywall, these panels and accessories are strong, really strong. Simple and easy to install, allowing you to design, create, build, and modify the absolute best organization system to fit your needs.